volunteers with Business Credit Literacy Initiative, and we're going to spend just a few minutes today talking about the innovative and grant-subsidized $99 business credit building program. This is the overview. So let's first kind of talk big picture about business credit. We call it Business Credit 101. You'll see here that there are over 28 million small businesses across the country and hundreds of thousands more forming every year. And frankly, that doesn't even capture a lot of the DBAs and home-based businesses that aren't part of this SBA statistic. Now, while there are banks across the nation, and certainly the United States Small Business Administration has a great loan program, the truth is most small businesses don't qualify for those types of funding, either because of personal credit challenges or other underwriting deficiencies. So what's the point? We have lots and lots of small businesses that need capital. However, the traditional sources of capital often don't serve them. So we believe that business credit building is a best kept secret. It's a poorly understood and underutilized source of capital. It uses the EIN of the business without any use of the owner's personal guarantees or personal credit. So it doesn't matter if the owner or owners have great credit or terrible credit, we're going to build business credit on the EIN only, not under the individuals. Business credit building is a proven, effective, and risk-free approach to accessing capital. And in fact, it works regardless of how long the business has been around. It can be a pre-launch or a startup, regardless of the industry or location. It can even work for for-profit and nonprofits. Now, we realize that the total amount of capital that may be needed for a business is significant and maybe even extends beyond what business credit can provide. But I think it's very simple to say that business credit should be an arrow in every quiver of a small business as they're looking to raise capital. It may not be the only arrow, it may not be the only way that they access capital, but it sure makes good sense to have this as part of the capital raising strategy. Let's just introduce our organization for a moment. As I mentioned, BCLI is a grant-funded 501c3 nonprofit. We were formed a few years ago to assist small businesses in understanding and accessing business credit. We are a member of the Money Smart for Small Business Alliance that was formed by the FDIC and is commonly promoted by the United States Small Business Administration. And what's neat is we were exclusively selected to develop and offer this grant-subsidized program, which is appropriately called the $99 Business Credit Building Program. It's affordable. It's just a one-time payment of $99. Now, it cost us a lot more to provide the service, but the balance of it is funded by the grant. Secondly, it's a credible approach. We've got all kinds of success stories and testimonials. If you haven't seen them, let us know and we can point you towards those. But it is proven and credible. It's effective. Building business credit will work 100% of the time. If you follow the sequence, follow the process, follow the curriculum, which will guide you through it, it will work. And best of all, there's no risk. Even though you only have $99 into it, if you're not fully satisfied after you've gone through the one-year program, we're more than happy to refund, no questions asked. So you might say, well, what's included in this $99? Well, number one, assistance with setting up your business to meet lender and credit issuer credibility standards to get automated approvals. So what that means in layman's terms is that most small businesses are declined for credit and funding because they're not set up properly. They're not meeting the criteria that the lenders are looking for. So that's the first thing we're going to do, is help make sure that your business is set up properly. Secondly, we're going to set up and activate your business credit profile with the bureaus like Dun & Bradstreet and Experian Business. You may already have a profile and don't know it. You may already have a profile and know it. The truth is, typically, once you file with the Secretary of State, In many cases, a profile will be created for you because they're picking up on the creation of a new entity. And if you don't go in and make sure that that information is accurate and complete, then you may very well have a failing score on your business credit bureaus, even though you've really never done anything about it, just because, again, they've picked up that your business exists, you've not gone in to build out your profile, and so it may show that you have 0 employees or 0 revenue. Your phone number may not be loaded. There could be all kinds of I don't want to say errors, but just incomplete information. And it's important to understand that business credit's different than personal credit. Business credit can be pulled by anyone. It could be your prospective clients or vendors that want to know more about your business, so they pull that. So it's very important that your credit profile is accurate. Thirdly, we're going to help you build trade lines. Adding trade lines to build your business credit profile without any personal credit checks. Each month, and this is especially valuable, each month we're going to review and analyze your business credit reports. Let's use an analogy. Let's say that you're wanting to improve your physical health. So what would you do? You would track your weight, and your blood pressure, and maybe your cholesterol. You can't say, well, I don't care about any of that. I'm just going to get healthier. Well, you have nothing to measure against. So analogous to that, when we're building business credit, each month we're going to pull your business credit reports, review them, analyze, and explain next steps. So that's valuable. Ongoing support and assistance. And then the bottom line is you're going to be able to access $100,000, $125,000, $150,000 in unsecured credit that you can use for your business. Who should participate in the $99 business credit building program? First, entrepreneurs who want to separate their personal and business finances. That makes a lot of sense, doesn't it? According to the SBA, over 85% of small businesses will fail in their first 3 years. Hopefully your business won't be one of those, but if it doesn't succeed, it sure makes a lot more sense to separate yourself personally so you can just kind of hit the reset button and try your next idea versus having ongoing obligations and debts from prior failed businesses. Secondly, small business owners with less than optimal personal credit scores should participate. That's kind of a soft way of saying if you've got bad personal credit, building your business credit may be a really good option. Thirdly, we can always access more capital under the EIN than we can under the Social Security number. Businesses can support more debt than individuals can, so that's the third reason. Now, you may be thinking, I want investors or I want to raise massive amounts of capital. Well, again, it makes sense to position your business to be more attractive by having a strong business credit profile. And if you're pursuing government contracts, it may very well be a requirement. Next, if you're just simply looking to improve the value of your business, as I was alluding to a moment ago, investors and equity-based capital, or even for your exit strategy, because a strong business credit profile literally improves or strengthens the value of your business. And again, this can also assist you in obtaining bank and commercial and SBA loans. So with that, in just a couple minutes, I wanted to let you know who we are and that we're here to assist you. You can contact us via phone or online. We'll assist you in getting set up on the $99 business credit building program and building your business credit under your EIN. Thank you so much and look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye-bye.